If Audacity is showing an import error and your audio file just will not open, don't worry. This usually happens because the file is corrupted or because Audacity does not support that format properly yet. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple fixes that can get you back on track fast. We'll update Audacity, install FFmpeg support, and if needed, convert the audio to WAV so you can import it without issues. If this helps, hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's get started. First, let's try the easiest fix, updating Audacity. Sometimes an older version of the app can struggle with newer file types or certain audio codecs, and that can trigger an import error, even when your file is actually fine. To begin, download the latest version of Audacity from the official website. Once the download is complete, install the update on your computer, just like you would any other program. After the installation finishes, restart Audacity completely. This is important because the changes will not take effect until the app reloads. Now try importing your audio file again and see if the error is gone. If you still get the same problem, the next fix is to install FFmpeg support. FFmpeg helps Audacity work with a much wider range of audio formats, so this is one of the most common solutions when a file won't import correctly. In Audacity, go to Preferences, then open Libraries. Inside that section, look for the option to install the FFmpeg library. Follow the setup prompt and complete the installation. Once FFmpeg is installed, close Audacity and open it again so the software can recognize the new library. After that, try importing the same audio file one more time. In many cases, this alone solves the issue. Now, if the file still refuses to open, the third fix is to convert the audio to WAV. AV is one of the most compatible audio formats, and converting the file can help if the original format is damaged or simply not supported well by Audacity. To do this, open VLC Media Player, then go to Open, Convert, or Save. Select the audio file that is giving you trouble. After that, choose WAV as the output format. Start the conversion and let VLC create the new file. When the conversion is finished, go back to Audacity and import the converted WAV file instead of the original. In most cases, this gives you a clean import with no error message. So just to recap, if Audacity gives you an import error, first update the software, then install FFmpeg support, and if needed, convert the file to WAV. One of these 3 fixes usually solves the problem quickly. If this video saved you time, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.